Hi there and welcome back to Andy Robinson RC. Now this is just a quick update video because I'm a bit of a numpty, and if you've just watched the unboxing of the four-wheel drive RC10, at the end of the video I was saying, well, what I'll do is I'll bring over the camera and can have a closer look up at all the parts. Well, instead what I decided to do is say bye to everyone, get up and turn the camera off instead of bringing the camera over to the parts. So this is just like a quick additional video. It's like a parts supplement in video form, and I'm just going to show you the parts close up if you wanted to see them. So I'm sorry that I didn't actually put that in the main video, but I've also decided that I'm not re-recording the video as well. So here it is. So we'll start here with bag B, which I also was the first bag I brought out of the box. Now, what you've got there is your transmission cases, you've got the spur gears, all the internals, the diffs, the alloy motor plate, and slipper pads, and everything in there that you need for the front and rear gearbox. Up here, bag J, it's fairly obvious. It's your wheels, tyres, and spot lamps and plastic knockoffs for the wheels. They will be using wheel nuts. And then here again, your rear wishbones and rear hubs with some bearings in. So this is fully ball raised. And of course you've got the rear wishbone mounts that the hinge pins go through. Bag of shims, which are going to be needed. So we'll see if that QR code works. And those shims are needed, I think, for doing when you do your gearbox up. And then we've got the battery mounts there. You've got two types. You've got one for LiPo and one if you're using more of a stick pack type. So you can use that or you can run shorties. What else you've got? We've got the nose tube braces that go from the chassis tub to the nose plate. Then moving down here, that is the drive belt, rear bulkhead and tower in there and hardware. Servo horns. Front nose plate there with the sort of more updated steering bell cranks, which say you're a bit more. You see what you can. They look a bit. Although they've got a bit of a curve to them, they look a bit more like the ones that came on the RC10T to me, but they're not quite the same. There you've got here. We've got the front tower and wishbone mounts, and you can see these later sort of B74 parts, which they've used on the front of this. They're in there as well. Towers in there, the shock tower and everything. Then moving on here, you get all your stuff for the dampers. It comes with 50 and 35 weight oil. You've got the blue and the silver springs, and you've got all this stuff in there to build the shocks up. And here we've got proper decent rod ends for your turnbuckles and some nice turnbuckles in there as well. So it's good to see them. Your manual, and we've got the body there and the decals, and of course the gold chassis tub, and you can see it says the obviously RC10 four-wheel drive. Okay, so sorry about that. It was a bit of a mess up there, wasn't it? But I just thought I'd show you this, and then you at least got to see everything a bit closer up. So my apologies. But yeah, there you go. Everyone makes mistakes, eh? Right, cheers for checking this one out. Much appreciated. And yeah, we'll get this one built up. Right, I'm going now. See you later. Bye.